This is Baker. Today, take 1 hour introducing topic special spring forming machine. Only at spring forming machine because we are spring machine manufacturer. One of our sellers is spring forming machine. Okay, today the topic spring forming machine. Firstly, let me introduce myself. This is my contact. This is my basic information. We are spring machine manufacturer, and this is my contact. Spring machine manufacturer, brand GSM, Guangjin Spring Machine. Factory, manufacturer, middle-sized, total staff 23%, total staff 23%, founded in year 2005. Spring forming machine. Today topic, spring forming machine. My WhatsApp, my WeChat. Okay, first you can add my WeChat or WhatsApp. If you want to see more videos about our factory, our business activities, our exhibition activities, our schedule of orders, our sampling videos, please visit my YouTube site for more videos or daily post, daily activities at my Facebook site, my YouTube site. Okay, contact me for more information available. Today, the topic is spring forming machine. This page telling the Camless spring forming machine. Examples, 4 items showcase on this paper. 4 models. 2 of them are Camless, no wire lottery, and the number 4, Camless with wire lottery. Camless for wire from 0.2 max to 10 millimeter. 0.2 max to 10 millimeter. So firstly, okay, this one, Camless with wire lottery. Presently total 12 axes for 8 sliders driven by servo motor directly, and wire lottery, wire feeding, manger, spinner. So total 12 axes. This one for max 4 for the wire feeding wire length 2 to 8 millimeter. 2 to 8 millimeter. This machine goes for client running, mass producing, agriculture, lifetime, lactis. This one, total 12 axes. 5 parts of this machine: wire decoil, the chamber, the work panel, the electric parts, and the operating system, control system, HMI. 5 main parts: wire decoil, chamber, work panel, electric parts, and the control operating system. This operating system, usually English, Chinese, all can be customized according to the client special request can be customized in Spanish, Portuguese, Russian, Turkish, France, Italian. Okay, this is the one model for max 8 millimeter. Here's the cameras with wire, cameras one, number 1, number 2, cameras no wirelessly, number 3, number 4, cameras with wire locally. Check more details at closer. And this page, 3 models are the cam type with wire locally. Usually it goes to 5 or 6 axes as total. For the wire from 0.5 max to 6 for the hard carbon steel or 8 for iron. It can add up one server sizer that goes to 8 axes as total. And the samples are like the latest agriculture machinery for harvester, for straw baler, wire bending, wire forming products, torsion, double torsion, irregular spring, hooks, mobile phone holder, torsion, double torsion, extension, wire bending, wire forming products as like double torsion spring. So this page telling 6 model first line cam type no wire locally for the wire from 0.2 max to 4.5 millimeter. And the baseline cam type with wire locally, feeding wire 0.5 max to 8 for hard carbon steel or 6 for carbon steel or 8 for the iron. So our machine, spring forming machine, procession, first introducing their procession materials as metal, iron, steel, stainless steel, bronze, copper, aluminum, stainless steel, a variety type of steel as carbon steel, stainless steel, panel wire, and the different hardness. And for the wire in shape as mostly goes procession, the long, smooth at surface wire, or the flat for strip as section shape, rectangle or square. This one as material, flat strip. Mostly this machine with wire locally procession the task for the long wire. Okay, this is our brand GSM Guangjin spring machine manufactured in Dongguan City. Is our factory close just within 1 hour driving from our factory to Canton Fair site, or within 75 kilometers from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. So this is our catalog. Every summer, we were attending Guangzhou International Spring Industry Exhibition, Guangzhou International Spring Industry Exhibition, Guangzhou International Mental Procession machinery exhibition during every summer in June or early stage of June or April or May in Cantonville halls. My friends, if you have a plan or schedule visiting those fields, you can spare 2 or 3 hours. Come to our factory, bring along with your samples or bring along your drawing, your file or drawing to let's have a face-to-face discussion, and you and your team come to here, make an audit our factory ability about our machine, our quality control, our ability in the providing customized solution for your special task, special shape while bending tasks. This is my catalog. And this machine in details list model ATR, GJ ATR for total if added server size that goes to 13 axes. Key parameters for this machine, five main parts. Wire decoil, the shamble including the wire rotary and the wire feeding. Then wire goes to the work panel and the sliders, tool holder, tools, coiling finger, spinner tools, and the electric parts control system, 5 main parts, the key parameters, and his ability to precision, making very type of tasks. Key parameters for this machine. This is check. For more videos, please visit my youtube.com site. For more videos about our business activities, our machine running sampling, our special function machinery. For more videos, you can find a search what you are planning. If you have a similar inquiry, send me your inquiry by WhatsApp, by WeChat. So here's some of the samples we ever made by different machines. Torsion, extension, torsion, double torsion, flat spiral, constant force spring, various shape of compression spring, tower, conic, bellowed, regular, or flat strip, constant force spring, torsion, double torsion spring. Here's various shape of wire forming, torsion, double torsion, and wire forming products. This machine can do a lot of different tasks for torsion, double torsion spring, and wire forming products, where I will introduce some of the typical samples 7 minutes later. The wire forming, wire bending products by this machine. This is my catalog. I'm, we are spring machine manufacturer, founded 2005 in Dongguan City, just 1 hour from our factory to Canton Fair site, just distance from Guangzhou International Airport to our factory within 75 kilometers. Middle-sized spring machine manufacturer using our own brand for domestic sales, for international sales, using in our own brand GS Guangjin spring machine. One more time, this some of our tailor-made special machine, special function machine, tailored for here's 4 special tailor-made machines for conveyor belt, chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling, for the pipe creep, for tailed thread insert making machine, for wire straightening machine. Okay, this is me. This is my contact. Add my WhatsApp, add my WeChat. We will analyze your requirement and provide you professional solution. Okay, next I'll show you some of the samples. This machine, the whole one, wire decoil, wire rotary, wire feeding, and then wire goes from rear to front, goes to the work panel, then to the forming side. This is manger. This is manger, the slider, layer, the tool holder, head pad, the tools. Material of the tools is tool spring, tool steel, the layer, the spinner. This is the spinner. So one whole set of machine, including the wire feeding tools and the special task forming tools. Wire feeding tools including feeding roller, feeding wheel, and the guiding plate, and the forming tools including the manger, coiling finger, cutter, layer, spinner tools, special shape tools. For this, presently goes for the tools on at very now. The tools is for this ground stake, tent camp ground stake, ground nail for tent for the camp. You can see this machine, 5 of the slider involved this task, and this one, and this one is free, is not doing this task. So different difficulty level using the different tools. If some of the task is simple, some of the sliders will be not doing this task. This one, and this one not join the whole program. So it's 8 sliders, 12 axes of total, and the control operating system in English, Chinese, or we provide a lot of deal customized for Spanish, Russian, Italian, Turkish, and France, and French, Russian. For this machine or similar, do a lot of deal for agricultural purpose to mass producing the lake time, the leg time for harvester torsion spring. So we provide a professional solution, and our factory founded in year 2005. This is our 20th anniversary. Our factory, middle-sized, 23 staff as total, middle-sized, using our own brand GSM Guangjin spring machine. Next, on the table, every of the samples on the table can be made by this machine as like this wire bending products, flat or 3-dimension, 2-dimension or 3-dimension. This and this 6mm stainless steel, 6mm stainless steel pipe clamp fastening purpose belong to fastener, and the wire twisted, wire bending, wire forming products, wire twisted, wire forming, wire bending products. This the leg teeth, torsion spring, machinery, agricultural machinery, torsion, double torsion spring is the mostly widely used for this machine, mass producing in agriculture purpose, leg teeth. This one. We do a lot of deal to the countries of Poland, Belarus, Russia, Turkey, South Africa, Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Mexico, also the north part of China. A lot of deal. Client using this or similar machine mass producing the leg teeth, and the for us heavy duty springs, also like this heavy duty springs for the brake system for the vehicles, heavy duty, heavy loaded vehicles. This special extension spring, 7mm, carbon steel tight ropes, 2-pillar tight ropes, and straight in the mid. Center hook, 7mm carbon steel. By this machine, at least about 7 to 9 pieces per minute. The wire bending products. This machine, this one in my hand, the typical irregular shape products is one of the winter fishing kit. Winter fishing kit, one part of the winter ice fishing. As the traditional very shape of torsion extension spring for British style or German style, center hook or side hook. This wire bending, wire forming products in my hand. This is the mobile phone holder, compact, daily use mobile phone holder. So once again, one more time. This is our factory. This is our factory assembly site. This is Baker, and I'm an export sales manager, GSM. Our brand, GSM, Guangjin Spring Machine. For more videos, add my WhatsApp, add my WeChat, send me your inquiry, send me your drawing, send me your task, sample pictures or drawing. For more videos, you can visit my YouTube site, Video Bank. And for daily business activities, please share in Facebook site. Okay. This is my contact. I'm export sales manager, Baker. GSM, our brand. We use our own brand for domestic sales, for international sales. Since our factory founded in 2005, over 32 countries, our factory has already reached touching over 32 countries and regions to every content. This machine, the key parameters of this machine. It's very easy for the use. Okay. Okay, my friend, I'll take some explanation for your questions. Let me introduce our policy about our business activity. We are medium-sized spring machine manufacturer. First, usually we get the so mostly our we don't have every model of the machine have a stock. Just some of them have a stock at this time or that time. So we get the order, then start to installing the machine. Take 2 or 3 weeks for big, as like the heavy duty spring machine. Take 2 or 3 weeks, about 20 days. Get the order, then install the machine. 20 days later, the machine installed down, then running up, put on the tools, go sampling. After we usually sample 1 or 2 items according to the client provide the task, provide the drawing, assemble pictures, then go sampling 1 or 2 items. After sampling, we will show you the video. To verify if you are the first green hand on this field. You can take along with your best engineer, come to our factory to get some days free using training. Get some days free using training. For domestic sales, for domestic client, the training usually take 2 to 5 days. For foreign clients, we usually take 3 to 6 days for a free using training, or max to 9 days, according to different tasks. For some simpler tasks, for example, for this, the training maybe take 2 or 3 days is enough. If you are already skillful in this field, you can just be here to come to our factory to get a short time training, and to also to get further idea about our other similar machine models. So after the training, you will pay the balance. We got the balance. We will next arranging the shipping steps, dispatch steps, and our factory is close to Shenzhen Airport. So mostly our deal at terms FOB Shenzhen for the foreign trade. for the foreign deals, FOB Shenzhen. We are in South China, so our terms mostly at FOB Shenzhen terms, and for the payment using TT, mostly using TT. 30% 30% as deposit, and the 70% as the balance to be dispatched, to be paid before dispatch. Okay, we do a lot of deal. You can use the Alibaba insurance order or using the traditional. We will make a career terms to at terms in performance invoice. So our 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 policy is sign a performance invoice, make the deposit, get the deposit, take 2 or 3 weeks, make the machine installed down. For a small machine, just need about 5 to 9 days, make the machine installed down, then running up, go sampling. After sampling, you take along with your best engineer, come here for a free using training. Okay, after the training, we will go next for the shipping steps. Okay, if you have the planning for the purchase, please add my WhatsApp, send me your drawing, send me your sample picture, add my WhatsApp, add my WeChat for more videos about our factory introduction, about our business activities, about our commercial policies, about our rules doing business. You can find more videos at my YouTube site. We are middle-sized spring machine manufacturer, founded in year 2005. We have machine for spring forming machine and the spring coiling machine. Today, the topic is focused on spring forming machine for a wire from 0.2 max to 10 millimeter. This is our assembly workshop for free for assembly workshop. This is our factory assembly workshop. So here's some machines at different stages. Some of them completed, even sampling completed, and preparing for the soonest dispatch. And some are in construction in assembly. Once it's completed, put on the tool, go sampling next. After sampling, client be here for a free using training. And this one, Camelis 12 axis, max for wire 8 millimeter. As well, we have some more other samples. Here's some more other samples by different machines. We also have compression spring machine, 2 axis, 4 axis, and 6 axis compression spring machine for wire from 0.2, 0.15 max to 6 millimeter for compression spring machine, also called the spring coiling machine.